update on NVIDIA stock here. Some of you guys might be wondering, when are we going to bottom out, right? Today we're down 3%. Yesterday we were up. The day before in the after hours overnight, we were up, got to a high of 132, then shot back down, right? We had a recent low here of 116.25. What I mentioned before, and I'll mention it again, I believe the bottom for NVIDIA should be at 115. If I go out to the daily chart here, it's slightly below the 200 EMA, but I believe 115 here should be the bottom. All right. If we go into the weekly chart, you can finally see that 115 is on the 50 EMA support level, and we've bounced off of the 50 EMA as well, by the way. So going back into the daily chart, what am I expecting? I do expect to see a reversal for NVIDIA back to 132. Right now, a lot of people are panicking and just wondering when the bottom is. And of course, I could be wrong. This is just my personal prediction that I think 115 is the bottom. Loading in here would be a good idea in my personal opinion. And then looking for price targets of 132 all the way back up to about 142. Okay, so 142 there is going to be the next major resistance I'm keeping an eye out for. 132 is maybe psychologically the shorter time frame for a short-term resistance that I'd keep an eye out for. 132, I'm pretty sure should be broken above pretty easily. 142, something I'm not too sure of yet. I think we could get rejected at 142 and bounce back down to that 130 range. My prediction is NVIDIA is going to be bouncing around 130 to 140 for possibly a month or two before we start to see all-time highs again, which is 153. I'll still remain what I said before in my previous videos for NVIDIA. By the end of this year, I minimally see a price target of 180. We should see 180 or higher towards the end of the year. It's just in the short term here, people are panicking, not knowing, and curious about what the bottom is going to be. We also have a gap fill towards 142, so I'm not too worried. In for the long term, I'm not too worried. Possibly for the short term, a lot of people are just wondering where the bottom is. All right. If you're in NVIDIA, be sure to join our Discord with the link down below in the description. We have over 32,000 members there, and it's free to join. Last but not least, not necessary, but if you're looking for live options alerts, entries, and exits, also lessons on it on how to play options, feel free to join our Patreon with the link down below in the description. 90% off discount is available. All the tiers are already marked 90% off, so you don't have to do anything. All you need to do is go on the Patreon page down below in the description and select the tier that you would like to join the community with. Okay. Other than that, feel free to just join the Discord for free. Check out the public resources and chat with us on what stocks you are trading. Thanks for watching, y'all.